Mr. Emar, number 3, ipasa kay Mr. Naga. Attempt for 2. That's in the short. Number 1 is Mr. Emar. Attempt for 2. Lalagyan naman ka ni Mr. Titos. We are to Mr. Patrick. 50 seconds to shoot, Mr. Suarez to Mr. Villegas. Villegas ang naman dito.
Wow! Yeah. Yeah, JP.
No, Mr. Naga. Mr. Titos at the free throw line. Number 16.
Nice.
1 point. 46-39. Another focus by Mr. Titos. 5 minutes 28 seconds. Mr. MR. Number 3. Tingnan kilahot. Wala.
Blue!
Ball. Time out and Team Eljaz in 5 minutes 20 seconds. Once again, first time out ng Team Eljaz. Isa na ilang time out for this quarter. Once again, it's 5 minutes 20 seconds. 5 minutes 20 seconds. Ay, yes, sir.
Oras daw.
Mr. Ito Mr. In 5 minutes 20 seconds, Mr. Berg. Ano po na yung naging ito, Mr. Maynard Suarez.
Tapok!
50 seconds to shoot, Mr. Suarez. Patrick Anderson. Number 11, Mr. Navarez. First personal foul, second team foul in 4 minutes 59 seconds for this fourth and final quarter. Mr. Maynard to Mr. Suarez. Patrick. 15 seconds to shoot. Mr. Villegas ang shoot. Kaingin. In 4 minutes 38 seconds si Mr. Naga sa ilalo. Mr. Villegas. Mr. Pitstoller kasi nalituan ni Mr. Suarez. Patrick to Maynard Suarez. Block by Mr. Kaingin. In 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Grabe na yun!
Ito na ba Mr. Naga? Naguyan ng bola. Nakuha ni Mr. Suarez. Patrick.
Tapok! Tapok!
Mr. Titos. 4 minutes to go. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot.
Kala!
Patrick, número 22. 3 minutes 40 seconds. Now. 15 seconds to shoot. Wala na gawas na Team Eljaz in 3 minutes 46 seconds. Time out to shoot.
Yes! Wala na sila time out, Sel. Wala na sila time out.
Mr. Martin, Mr.
Pagawas na talayan.
Mr. Kainin in the ball. 15 seconds to shoot. Gilasos na.
Nice one! Good!
Bola sa team. Dia continue possession in 13 second shot clock. 13 segundos ang shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. shoot! Wala, it's a 2-point! 3 minutes left. Mr. Maynard Suarez. Suarez keep
Head.
Number Mr. Navarro's second personal foul, 13 foul. Once again, it's third team foul and second personal foul by Mr. Navarro's in 2 minutes 54 seconds. Kung sa boxing pa na head pa. 1 point by Mr. Suarez. Once again, it's 12 minutes 54 seconds.
Walay bisyo. Pila ra gyud iya. Depende sa iya. Talagyan na sa iya. Eh!
Let's shoot.
Oh! Pila ra.
Wala sa NHAC. 2 minutes 42 seconds. 2 minutes 40.
240.
12 ang lamang na. 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Once again, Mr. Navarez.
Oh!
Wala sa NHAC. 2 minutes 20 seconds. Already started the best. 2 minutes 15 seconds. 50 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. One minute 55 seconds, Mr. Kaini.
It's up!
Mr. Tabo. 50
It's up!
seconds to shoot, Mr. Navarez. Kita sa attack for 3, Mr. Navarez. Wala na for Mr. Mariote in 1 minute 43 seconds.
Foul!
Substitution round.
Sapid.
1 minute 39 seconds. 1 minuto 39 segundos. Once again, it's 1 minute 39 seconds.
139.
Mr. Navarez attempt 3 points. Mr. Navarez, numero 11. 1 minute 30 seconds. Mr. Navarez, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Wanay hangin.
1 minute 11 seconds, Mr. Kaingen. And there's a block foul by numero 1. Mr. Suarez with the foul. 1 minute 9 seconds.
Usira na.
1 minute 9 seconds. 1 minuto 9 segundos. Basta itapay tagal. Kaingin ang free throw line. 1 minuto, 9 segundos ang nalalagyan. 1 point by Mr. Kaingin.
Wala may tingog ng mga bae di ang wala man naningog.
11 ang naman.
Asa na ako mga anak?
Ay,
Oh, di ba? Wala shot kaya tingog sila.
1 minute 5 seconds, Mr. Amber. Not Mr. Dogon. 1 minute! 55 seconds.
Hey! Nakakatay! Hamok!
50 seconds.
Hey!
45